Chapter 1: The AI Shockwave. In a world where artificial intelligence is reshaping the very fabric of our society, we find ourselves on the cusp of a technological revolution that promises to redefine the way we work, live, and interact. As we peer into the future of 2025 and beyond, the impact of AI on the job market is nothing short of seismic. Picture this: a montage of scenes flashing before your eyes. Offices once bustling with activity now sit eerily quiet as automated systems hum in the background. AI tools effortlessly churn out reports, designs, and code that once took teams of professionals days to complete. Headlines from tech giants like Meta, financial institutions such as DBS, and innovative startups like ByteDance scroll across screens, each proclaiming a new breakthrough in AI capabilities. But amidst this whirlwind of change, a stark reality emerges. The numbers are staggering: 85 million jobs are been displaced, yet 97 million new roles is expected to be created. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the AI revolution. As Justina Nixon-Centaur, Chief Impact Officer at IBM, so aptly puts it, AI will impact almost every job role and every industry. This isn't just hyperbole. It's a glimpse into our rapidly approaching future. Chapter 2: Tools behind the disruption. But what exactly are the tools driving this unprecedented disruption? Let's take a closer look at the AI powerhouses reshaping our professional landscape. At the forefront, we have language models like ChatGPT-4 and Google's Gemini 2.5, capable of generating human-like text, answering complex queries, make videos, and even writing code. DeepSeek are to pushes the boundaries of machine learning, while Midjourney and DALL-E 3 transform the world of visual creation. Elon Musk's Grok 3 challenges conventional AI with its unique approach to problem-solving. These aren't just fancy chatbots or image generators. They're sophisticated systems automating tasks across industries. From crafting marketing copy and legal documents to designing logos and debugging software, AI is rapidly encroaching on territories once thought to be exclusively human domains. Chapter 3: Jobs on the Edge. But which jobs are truly on the chopping block? The data paints a sobering picture. Data entry roles face a staggering 90% risk of automation. Customer service isn't far behind at 75%, while journalism and graphic design hover around 60% and 50% respectively. Take Jackie Tan, for instance. Once a thriving freelance writer, Jackie found himself pivoting to the food service industry after losing a significant portion of his client base to AI-generated content. His story is just one of many, illustrating the very real human impact of this technological shift. Chapter 4: The Rise of Centaur Jobs. Yet, amidst the disruption, a new paradigm is emerging: the rise of Centaur jobs. These hybrid roles combine human creativity and emotional intelligence with AI's raw processing power. Imagine AI agent managers orchestrating teams of virtual assistants, or prompt engineers fine-tuning AI systems to produce increasingly sophisticated outputs. Industry giants are taking notice. SAP, Accenture, and Salesforce are at the forefront of integrating these hybrid workflows. Picture a scene where humans and AI collaborate seamlessly, a marketing team brainstorming campaign ideas while an AI assistant generates real-time market analysis and content suggestions. This is the future of work, where human ingenuity is amplified by artificial intelligence. Chapter 5: New Jobs You've Never Heard of. But the job market of tomorrow isn't just about adapting existing roles. It's about entirely new career paths we can scarcely imagine today. AI ethicists grappling with the moral implications of autonomous systems. AI product managers shepherding the next generation of intelligent applications from concept to market. AI prompt engineers crafting the perfect instructions to coax groundbreaking results from language models. These aren't just theoretical concepts. As the World Economic Forum boldly predicts, by 2030, 85% of roles will be new jobs we haven't heard of yet. The future job board might look like something out of a science fiction novel, with positions we can barely conceptualize today. Chapter 6: How to Survive and Thrive. So, how does one survive and thrive in this brave new world? The key lies in adaptability and continuous learning. Upskilling is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Mastering the art of prompt engineering, the ability to effectively communicate with and direct AI systems, is quickly becoming as crucial as learning a new programming language. Speaking of programming, languages like Python and a solid understanding of machine learning concepts are increasingly valuable across industries. But it's not just about technical skills. The ability to think critically, solve complex problems, and navigate the ethical implications of AI will set apart the workers of tomorrow. Governments and organizations are taking notice. Singapore's Skills Future program and proposed legislation like the US AI Workforce Act aim to equip workers with the tools they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. As one AI expert from Thoughtful.ai notes, it's not about competing with AI, but learning to leverage it as a powerful tool in your professional arsenal. Chapter 7: The Future of Work. As we contemplate the future of work, larger philosophical and economic questions loom. Will humans become obsolete in a world of hyperefficient AI? Or will we find new ways to express our uniquely human qualities, empowered by artificial intelligence? A recent McKinsey report offers an optimistic perspective. AI doesn't replace humans, it redefines what it means to work. This sentiment captures the essence of our evolving relationship with technology. It's not a zero-sum game, but a transformation of how we apply our skills and creativity. Imagine a montage of workers across various fields, confidently wielding AI tools to tackle challenges once thought insurmountable. A scientist using AI to model complex climate systems, an artist collaborating with an AI to push the boundaries of creative expression, a teacher leveraging adaptive learning algorithms to provide personalized education at scale. These scenes paint a picture of a future where AI amplifies human potential rather than diminishing it. But this future is not guaranteed. It requires thoughtful navigation of the challenges and opportunities presented by AI integration. Chapter 8: Implications for the Future and the Way Forward. The implications of this AI revolution extend far beyond the job market. We're witnessing a fundamental shift in how value is created and distributed in our economy. The rise of AI could exacerbate existing inequalities if access to these powerful tools is not democratized. Moreover, as AI systems become more sophisticated, questions of accountability and control become increasingly complex. Who is responsible when an AI makes a critical decision? How do we ensure these systems align with human values and ethical principles? To navigate this new landscape successfully, a multifaceted approach is needed. First and foremost, investment in education and reskilling programs must be a top priority. This isn't just about teaching technical skills, but fostering adaptability, critical thinking, and lifelong learning mindsets. Policymakers and industry leaders must work together to create frameworks that promote responsible AI development and deployment. This includes addressing issues of bias, privacy, and the potential concentration of power in the hands of a few AI-capable entities. Finally, we must reimagine our social contracts and safety nets for a world where traditional notions of employment may no longer apply. Universal basic income, new forms of worker protections, and innovative approaches to wealth distribution may all play a role in ensuring the benefits of AI are shared equitably. The AI revolution is not something happening to us, it's a future we have the power to shape. By embracing the opportunities while thoughtfully addressing the challenges, we can create a world where artificial intelligence enhances human potential, rather than replacing it. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the future of work will be defined not just by the capabilities of our AI tools, but by our human capacity for creativity, empathy, and ethical decision-making. The question isn't whether AI will change the job market. It's how we will rise to meet this change and create a future that works for all of us.